Hi everyone, I'm back with another Cashtab tutorial. Cashtab.com. It's the official web wallet of the eCash ecosystem. Today I'm just gonna focus on one feature of the wallet, which is the sign and verify feature. So this should only take a couple of minutes. Basically, if you click on sign and verify, you're gonna see a toggle for sign or verify. And what this feature allows you to do is to prove that you hold the private keys to a given address. For example, someone can tell you to sign a message and they'll give you the message. So, for our example, let's say it's Lotto, and then you decide here, actually, let me paste the address up here because I need it later. They say, oh, can you sign a message for Lotto? So you do this and then you provide them with the signature. So I'm going to copy, and then they can, on their own machine, verify that you do hold the private keys to that address. So if we toggle over to verify, so this is the signature, this is the message, and here's the address. And you can see it says signature verified. If I were to change anything, let's say like the message, you're going to see that the signature does not match. Same with the either the address or the signature itself. You're going to see it does not match. But when I put that H right back in there, it does verify. I just want you to know that when you sign a message, there's no risk of losing your coins. All you're doing is proving that you control that address, but they can't take the signature and then use that to somehow sign a transaction on your behalf. So there's no risk of losing funds or anything like that. All it is you signing a cryptographic message using a private key and its associated address. This is what they talk about when they say that if someone wants to prove their Satoshi, all they need to do is sign a message or move one of the coins from one of the early Satoshi blocks. So that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. In the next week or so, I'll be announcing a new kind of Lotto on my proof of writing blog, and this feature is gonna be important for that. So hopefully this all made sense, but if you have any questions, feel free to comment.